welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. It has been quite a while since I sat down to film, so I'm going to be doing my makeup and talking about what has been going on the last, I don't know, 2-ish months. And let's just get started. If the lighting is super off, I apologize. I have new angle that I'm filming at. I changed how my desk is. I changed where my camera sits, and it's my first time sitting down to film, and I won't know until I upload this footage on how well it looks, but whatever. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything super crazy. When I'm filming this is actually the day of the Super Bowl. I'm hoping that this goes up the day after. I'm gonna be using some makeup that is just my go-to makeup. Why not? I want to feel pretty. I haven't done my makeup since the week before Christmas. I have done my makeup 3 times. I am going to go in with my primer. This is the Ciate London Vitamin Boost Primer. I am almost out of this. Gonna smooth this all over. I do really like this primer. I might be a little sad to see it be finished, but it is what it is. I'm also missing a nail on my thumb. Don't mind that. So while that sinks in, I'm gonna work on my brows. My skin has not been the greatest. I've been getting a ton of breakouts along here, but it's finally starting to clear up, so I'm happy with that. So this is my Oma by Sharon C brow pencil. At this point, I'm just using it to use it up. I don't really care for the shade for my brows, but it's whatever. It works. It's not a bad shade. I just wish I had a more ginger color to work with, which I do, but I'm trying to use this up, so I don't know. I just don't know. I'm gonna go in with my Halo Glow liquid filter, just because I haven't used this in a while. I do really like it. I'll blend that in with a brush. Now, I have been kind of absent on YouTube, only because I did take a week off after finishing my last Christmas video, which was my vlog that went up. And my plan was to only take a week off and then to start filming the first week of January. And then I went to visit my mom for Christmas, and the entire household was sick. And then Jeff got sick from that, and then I subsequently got sick. So from New Year's Eve to I swear January 10th or something like that, I was just sick. I had the flu that went around. My mom was really sick. She had the flu, turned pneumonia, so she was in the hospital for about a week at the beginning of January. And I've just been trying to feel better with everything. I'm gonna go in with my foundation, the e.l.f. Satin Skin. I think I'm almost done with this. So yeah, I've just been sick, just been dealing with that. I was sick with the flu, got better marginally, and then it turned into a sinus infection. Love that. So I've spent basically January just miserable, and it is what it is. I'm feeling a lot better. I have been wanting to sit down and film. I just haven't been feeling mentally ready to film once I started feeling better. But I think it's finally time. I have some ideas planned on what I want to do, but I don't know fully what's going to happen. But I don't know, nothing's set in stone, what I have planned, for video-wise, content-wise. So if you guys have any suggestions on videos you want to see in the coming months, please let me know. I do have a project pan I'm working on, which I thought about filming about it, but I think I'm going to keep it more, to myself, just a personal goal for myself. I am mainly trying to use up the products that I have instead of buying more, but I'll be honest, I haven't bought new makeup in a while. I wanted to get the Colourpop New Moon collection, and I decided that maybe I shouldn't. I'm gonna go in with a contour. This is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Bronzing Contour in Fair. Been really into this one lately. I like it a lot more than the wand that they came out with. I do like the wand, I just like this one more. I've been liking adding contour under my eye. I don't know why. It's just fun. I'm just going in with that same LYS brush I used with the Halo Glow and just pounce that in. I'll go back over it with a sponge, but I just like going in with a brush first. And my nose will, get cleared up with the, what am I trying to say, concealer. Obviously, it's been a while since I filmed. I just feel so out of sorts. But like I said, bear with me as I get used to everything. For concealer, I'm going to go with my Milk Makeup one. What else has been going on? Just been sick. I've been reading a lot. Read quite a few books in February. Not so much in January. I think I only read maybe 10 books. You would think with me being sick, I would have just laid around and read, but I was just so tired. So I was like, you know what? Just gonna watch you know, something on my TV and just chill. I was like, you know what, I want to start a different show that's not like a comfort show. So I started watching these two shows that are on ABC, and that was Will Trent and, is it High Potential? Something like that. The woman from It's Always Sunny, whose name I can never remember. You know what, they're not bad. The Will Trent show I do like a little bit more than the High Potential. I had very low expectations for the High Potential show though. I didn't know how I would feel about it, but surprisingly, I like it. Not bad. I am behind on a couple episodes, but it is what it is. One Size Powder. I did start rewatching a comfort show, which may seem like a weird comfort show, but I really like the show NCIS, and I started watching it from the beginning again, and I got to... I'm currently on season 4 of my rewatch. I have not watched any of the newest episodes where, you know, like Gibbs is gone and like basically there's no original characters left. I think the last season I watched was season 15. Go in with my Nabla Freckle marker. I think I need to like get rid of this. I think it's not working as well. I don't know if I want to be like super freckly today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Been sick, watching TV, reading, relaxing, trying to do my taxes. Jeff and I tried to do our taxes, and it was saying we were owing like so much money. And we're like, we've never owed that much before, so it's like, okay, we need to just take a step back and try this again. We haven't tried that again yet, but hopefully we can figure out what's going on. Otherwise, we're gonna have to go talk to a tax expert. Anyway, speaking of books, I decided that I'm going to change this channel back to only makeup, and I started a booktube. I don't know exactly what that channel is going to look like, because at the time of me filming this video, I haven't filmed my first video over there, but I'm hoping that I can just do like, you know, book reviews, book recommendations, book hauls, maybe some, you know, reading challenges. I think I went too hard with the freckles. So I will have that channel linked down below if you want to keep up with my book shenanigans, but I'm not going to be doing the reading wrap-ups over here anymore. I will be doing that on my other channel. If I do a favorites video, I may like mention like some of my favorite books that I've been reading lately, but overall I'm going to keep it kind of separate. This is my Kosas powder. I have hit major pan on this. There's barely any powder left, but I love it. I'm going to contour with my Creature Cosmetics palette because why not? I've been more into contour than bronzing lately. And this is definitely not the right brush for this, but whatever. What kind of brush is this? It's a Morphe E63. I have hit pan on this shade though. I'll be sad when I finish it up. I don't know if this is in stock or if they restocked or whatever. I literally have not kept up with any sort of makeup news, like at all. I've been like on the internet, but like not on the internet, because I find that I just, since the inauguration, just like the doom scrolling and just the anger inducing stuff that is happening in this country, I'm just like, I need to just not, you know, just not be on, take a step back, take a breather, and just focus on the here and now. Why not go in with my Twilight Vampire Skin Highlighter? I have definitely hit pan on this. Oh, I love it so much. It's stunning. I like applying this with my finger. I feel like I don't get the right amount of payoff if I use a brush, but that just could be that I'm using the wrong brush. So yeah, I've just been trying to not doom scroll as much and just, you know, keeping my own peace while still trying to stay up to date on everything that's happening. I have not been posting on like Instagram or TikTok. Really haven't done anything, you know, in the realm of social media. I'm gonna go in with Swirled from Colourpop for my blush. I do need to do a declutter, but I think I'm gonna wait until maybe closer to the end of the year. Fall time maybe. I feel like it wasn't that long ago that I did a declutter. Do need to set my face. Currently I'm using the Skindinavia one. This is the Bridal makeup finishing spray. I do need to finish off my brows. Where did I put it? Okay. This is the Urban Decay Brow Blade in Ginger Snap. I'm just going to go in with the ink side because I don't have the pencil anymore. I'm just going to fill in what I need to. You want to know another thing that happened? This is more recent and it's so stupid. Apparently my apartment complex got sold again. So we're going to be under new management, new everything, and they screwed up. They did it right at the end of January. And they had the online portal to pay our rent down, so we had to struggle to find a money order because, you know, we're young. We don't have checks. We don't, you know, mess with checks. Whatever. So we had to struggle with that. We don't know like what this new management is, how they're gonna be, or anything. And we're just hopeful that they don't severely raise the rent. But who knows? This is my Anastasia dip brow in caramel. I'm kind of surprised my brows turn out to be any sort of decent color since I'm using literally 3 different shades. That's the face. I'm gonna do something on my eyes. I haven't done eye makeup since Christmas, so Nomad was kind enough to send me their newest palette. I don't know if it's technically the newest one, maybe it came out with something else. This is the après-ski, which I took French for like 4 years and I enjoy the language. Can't speak it correctly. Ooh, it's so pretty. I think I'm gonna play with some of the greens because, you know, it's the Super Bowl. Go Eagles, even though I don't like the Eagles, but I don't want the Chiefs to win. So I'm going to prime my eyes, zoom you in, find some brushes, and then get started with a simple eye look. I'm gonna go simple. I don't know what I want to do. I think I want to keep it simple, like super simple, because I don't know. I kind of don't care today. So I think I'm gonna do like maybe like a wing. So I'm gonna go in with Mont Blanc, and I'm gonna focus this on the outer edge here, just at like an angle like that. This is really about the placement, not so much the blending. I love that color though. Ooh. That's so pretty. It actually matches my shirt pretty well. I'm gonna skip over and go into Ski now, and just a more fluffy brush. Just start blending the top of this out. Just basically blending this whole thing. I don't care if it's like messy over here. I'm not going anywhere today. Me and my husband are just gonna chill and watch the game. What I plan on doing is having a Monday, Wednesday, Friday upload schedule on this channel, and then a Tuesday and Thursday upload schedule on my book channel, which my book channel might take me a little bit of time to get up to that. Hopefully I can film my first video for that tomorrow. I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade Fondue. This is just a blending brush. Basically just gonna put this kind of in the crease. So that's my plan. Monday, Wednesday, Friday on this channel, Tuesday, Thursday on the book channel. And I think if I were to ever like vlog, I think the vlogs would go up on like Saturday or Sunday, just to keep like the middle of the week more like makeup focused. Gonna go back in with the Mont Blanc, which is not the brush I used. Gonna go back over what I did. I'm also gonna take that shade on the bottom here. I know I want to bring, for my TikTok, I want to bring over my palette series to YouTube. I'm just not sure like how it's going to transpire. Basically that series I had was I was trying to use up all the palettes that I own. That way once I go through all my palettes I can do a massive declutter, because I have way too many eyeshadow palettes and I just want to not have so many. So my thought process was to pick my palettes and like do like palette challenges within the series, where it's like palette bingos, draw random shades, something. I don't know. So that will be coming, I want to say soonish, but you never know with me. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush, no extra product, and just blend. So anyway, the point of what I was saying was if you have any video suggestions, please let me know. I probably won't be buying a ton of makeup. Me and my husband are trying to spend less money. That means buying less books, buying less just random crap we don't need, just so we can really just focus on saving up for a house or even just a better apartment. Who knows? I don't foresee us having a baby anytime soon, which is such a bummer. I will be 34 this year and I'm ready to start a family. Terrified, but ready, but also not ready. I'm gonna go into chamonix. It's like I took French, sure. Do I remember anything? No, I do not. Oh, that is so pretty though. Ooh. I'm gonna go in with après. I'm gonna go into Les Alpes and put that on my brow bone and inner corner, I think. Maybe it's more blue. Maybe I don't love that there. No, so I'm just gonna go back into chamonix. I know that's not how you say it. I think it's funny, I can't speak French that well. I know a few phrases. I don't understand it when it's spoken, but I can read it fairly well. At least I used to. Kind of actually want to pick back up on, you know, trying to relearn French and then eventually learn Spanish. But, you know, nothing ever goes the way I plan it to. I don't know if this will work. This is Freak from Urban Decay in my waterline. Not bad. I do know I want a tight line. This is from Smashbox. It's the Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner, which I didn't understand. You can't twist it up, but there's like a sharpener in the lid. It is the weirdest thing. I'm going to do a wing. This is the Farrah 18-hour liquid liner. I don't know if it's gonna work though. It might be too dry, but we'll see. It's not terrible. I think it's just drying out. So I do have this liner. It's the Graphic Inks liner from Colourpop and the Twilight collab in Forever. It's like a green. I really don't care for these too much. They're just not like super pigmented. Maybe I add some dots. When in doubt, add dots. Now, I do like the black one in this collection. It's my favorite one to make dots with. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara and lashes, do something on my lips, and I'll be back to wrap up this video. I think for not doing my makeup in like the longest time, it could be worse. Could be worse. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. I absolutely love how this all came together. So to finish off my eyes, for my lashes, I did go in with the Blend Bunny and Lens Makeup lashes. They don't actually have a name to it, but it's from that collection. Beautiful pair of lashes. One of my current favorites. And then I did go in with my Rare Beauty mascara, but I think this is the last time I'm using this because it didn't work that well. And it's quite old. I probably shouldn't have put that on my eyes. And then my lips are just like my go-to Ashton from Colourpop and Haze from Anastasia. There's just something about this combo that I just love to throw on when I don't know what to do. But yeah, that is everything. I am 110% sick of my hair. I think I'm gonna go back to a side part. I've had the middle part for 4 or 5 years now. I haven't had a side part in forever. Maybe. Anyways, let me know what you think about this look, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So like I said, I am going to try to start posting again, hopefully every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I'll have my other channel linked down below if you're interested in the book side of my passion/hobby. It's the week of Valentine's Day. I'm hopefully having 2 Valentine's-y videos going up on Wednesday and Friday. I know Friday's Valentine's Day, but you know what? It is what it is. If you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere, and for my book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. I am excited to start creating content again. I have severely missed this. It brings me so much joy to sit down and film and do my makeup, and I haven't done this in the last like month and a half, and it feels good. It feels good. Without further ado, I'm just gonna end this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.